Michael Lapide here from KD to talk to you about stress for business owners. What effect and what impact does stress have on business owners? Well, your financial health is, of course, as important as your physical and mental health. I think we all know that. But the thing that people don't realize is a lot of them are connected. Our mental, our physical, and our financial health are very connected. Therefore, our goal is to take a look at all areas of our health to look at the holistic approach. Mental, physical, and financial wellness are really the three pillars of your good health. If you want to look at the areas, those are key areas. Now, I would add a fourth would be relational health. I think relational health is up there as much as it's not said out there. It is extremely important. For many Canadians, they have money worries right now. The stat came out recently that it used to be many Canadians were 2 paychecks away. Now most of them are 1, or they're already done. They're already living in the streets. That's why the tent cities are growing so much at this point when I produce this video. Now maybe that'll help. Maybe that'll change. Maybe the government will stop spending so much money, and maybe inflation will come back down. Maybe. In fact, research shows that 48% of Canadians say they've lost sleep because of financial worries. 48% of Canadians. 44% said it'd be difficult to meet their financial obligations if their pay was late. That's bad. There are many sources of financial stress. Now, for a business, it can be employee stress. It can be client stress, where clients are leaving you or clients are causing you issues, customer service issues. It could be just cash flow issues. But then you have your household too. What about managing household expenses and dealing with high levels of debt? So it could be corporate or personal. You're dealing with high levels of debt. You're dealing with, you getting paid from your company. Are you getting paid regularly? And if you're not, that could be another stress, right? And a lot of times then maybe you're not hitting your goals. That becomes more stressful and so forth, right? There's unexpected things that come up all the time as well. And if you feel this way, you got to remember you're not alone. First of all, financial stress affects everyone. It's all around. It's everywhere. And as a business owner, I do understand you feel a little more stressful maybe sometimes, but everybody shares that stress. If you're dealing with financial stress, you're twice as likely to report poor overall health. That's not good. And you're 4 times as likely to suffer from sleep problems, headaches, or other illnesses. So we don't want to deal with stress in the way that just like, oh, it's stress, I'll deal with it. No, we want to find outlets and ways to deal with it. Financial stress can lead to even more serious problems. Believe it or not, financial stress is one of the biggest killers. It's strange. Impact of financial stress can affect your work, of course. And almost half of Canadians are relating stress from their personal financials to their performance in life overall. That's crazy. Now, what can we do? Well, continuous learning. Establishing a mindset that will foster continuous learning to help grow on your journey. So you're always learning and growing. You establish right mindsets to be able to, to let things wash off and say, okay, it's going to work out. Have some faith. Know that things will work out. And at the end of the day, make sure that you know deep within that you're going to be okay. The moment you start worrying and get off, you can't think straight, everything goes sideways. So we want to think straight, we want to get our mind right, we want to establish the mindset, we want to continuously learn and grow. We want to make sure that we are doing the best we can on our stewardship, maximizing our principles. We talked about the 5 steps in the prior videos. Make sure we're doing what it takes to manage it the best we can, okay? And continue to learn new things, how to manage your money, and take advice. Get into groups where people can support you, you can be accountable, and hopefully some people in similar situations that you can bounce off and you help one another. It goes a long way when you're not in it alone. And as a business owner, there are various other business owners that would love to talk to you. I'd be one of them. Reach out. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for being a part of our Business Tips, and we'll see you back here soon.